Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X1 versus the Toyota Fortuner. We will explore their key differences in design, performance, and intended use. Understanding these distinctions will help you decide which vehicle best suits your personal driving requirements. Let's dive into what makes each of these SUVs unique and who they are truly built for. When it comes to performance, the BMW X1 delivers a sophisticated and engaging drive. Its precise steering and responsive engines make it ideal for navigating city streets and highways with ease. In contrast, the Fortuner's powerful engine and high ground clearance are engineered for challenging terrains and heavy-duty tasks. It offers a more utilitarian and durable driving feel, perfect for adventure. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Quick recommendation. After all this talk about vehicles, you might be thinking about your next adventure. Make meal prep easy for your trips with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They are super handy. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Inside, the BMW X1 boasts a luxurious and technologically advanced cabin. You'll find high-quality finishes, comfortable seating, and intuitive infotainment systems designed for a premium experience. The Fortuner, however, focuses on rugged practicality and ample space for passengers and cargo. Its interior is built to withstand tough conditions while still offering essential modern conveniences and a commanding view of the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.